Okay, so here is a room tour at room 506 in Savannah, Georgia at the Hyatt Regency. So, give you all a little quick tour. And of course, shout out to the Hyatt for this nice little lovely gift they gave us. Bottle of champagne with some strawberries. And we also got a riverfront view. Can't really see it right now because it's kind of dark outside, but in the morning time, I'll show y'all what it looks like out here. King size bed. Got 2 drawers. Got you a vault down here. Oh, it even came with a pen. More than likely, I probably will steal the pen. Good chances of that. Got a thermostat. Looks like it's set on 68. We're gonna bump it up to 70. Oh. Got you this nice decor with the little bicycle. I'm pretty neat. Get you some ports over here. Let's make our way down this way. All right, and here is a complimentary fridge. I already put some water in here. That was pretty nice of them. Got 4 bottles of water. Got coffee. Check out the bathroom. This is really fancy, guys. Oh, got you a nice little walk-in shower. And of course, we got to do the toilet flush test. Tourist rating 2 out of 5 on that one. But pretty neat little soaps you got here. Got some body lotion. Never heard of this brand, but if I ain't heard about it, it sounds fancy to me. So definitely give it a pretty neat here. Floors look nice. Got you a closet. Yeah, so definitely for a suite. This is pretty nice here in Savannah. And we're gonna come out and check the room out in a little bit. But yeah, just want to show y'all the full tour of the suite. This is room 506 here in Savannah, Georgia. Good morning, everyone. We had a great night of sleep. Ruth Chris was amazing last night. I'm gonna give y'all a review towards the end of another video. But here I'm gonna show y'all the lobby and give y'all a resort tour because this is a great place to come to Savannah, Georgia. All right, so come over here to the lobby. You can walk all the way here and you can see River Street. Pretty neat. Get your little bar restaurant out here. You can sit out here and enjoy it, the views, and it's beautiful, guys. All right, guys, we are outside now and giving you a little outtake of River Street. Got you to Weston over there. We stayed there before. There's the Georgia Queen. I haven't done that before, but maybe something different to do another time. But I just like to say, this my favorite thing to do, guys, is coming down River Street, just enjoying it. Something before I got the channel started, something I used to do is come here to Savannah and just enjoy it. But I think this is gonna be my 2025 project, is coming out here and making different types of stuff over here in Savannah. All right, so over here you can have like a little sitting area to do at the harbor side and get you some TVs, sitting areas, get you a nice little cocktail night. Coming over here, you can have your main lobby. It's beautiful, guys, especially during Christmas time. Got your little creature here, and also you got your little restaurant, get some breakfast. I'm not sure what they got here. Bagels and breakfast sandwiches and everything else. Maybe some coffee. It's called Moss and Oak Savannah Eatery. All right, so checking out here is another shot of the main lobby. You got your elevator that goes up here. Get some escalators, goes to the next room, and pretty simple. So if you're staying on this side, you're gonna be staying on more of the River Street side, and you'll see the city side on to the left. All right, and say no more. If you're looking for some goodies, here's a little gift store. You know you can't go to a place without stopping at a gift store. Probably gives me an energy drink this morning. Here's some more of that wine. This is the wine that actually they sent us last night in this board. I'm still trying to remember if the board goes home or not. I need to find that out. Got you some hats. And got some little goodie bags over here. And of course, I stuck myself into the hat. I think it looks pretty good. What y'all think? All right, so over here you got River Street, the pool, you got Stay Fit, port side, and a motor lobby. So all this will take you down to the port. You can walk on River Street, and here's some brochures. So everything that Savannah has to offer. Yeah, I'm not sure which one. We're gonna take some stuff. We're gonna take this one home, and this will be our 2025 agenda. And checking out here is a little bicycle. This kind of reminds me of the bicycle in our picture frame we have in our room. Pretty neat. All right, and if you feel like get you a cocktail, come on to the bar and get you something good to drink. But now we're gonna come and check out outside. All right, so some important park information. So the park here is $50 for the night to park, and here's your visitor hours if you want to park here. We're gonna come over here and check out when you pull up. You look right next to me, there is one of the original Georgia Capitals. Currently now it's in Atlanta, but this was the previous one to it. And last but not least, here is a way to get down to River Street from here. Here's more of outside. Pretty neat. Like I said, we'll definitely be coming back to Savannah and checking out more of it. But as of right now, we coming down here for the weekend for our anniversary. Went to Ruth Chris last night. Had a great time. And tonight we'll actually be heading down to Orlando. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up and get ready for the Informer. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and end this video here. I just want to shout out again to Hyatt Regency. Thank you so much again for upgrading our room and giving us a suite and letting us show everybody your beautiful suite. Like, it was amazing. Tours rating 5 out of 5. Just the resort was beautiful. I give it overall 5 stars. I would definitely come back here again when staying in Savannah. Just the atmosphere, it was quiet, clean, everybody was friendly. So like I said, shout out to Hyatt Regency for their great hospitality, and we sure enjoyed it. We'll definitely come back out here again. But for now, guys, I want to wrap this video up, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And until then, the adventure is out there. The vlog is out. To the Informer. Goodbye, Savannah.